How hard is it to maintain a ductless mini-split system?
Ductless mini-split units are incredibly easy to maintain. They don't take as much maintenance as a whole home unit. Essentially what you need to do is keep the outside unit clean, free of debris. Don't allow bushes and plants and stuff to grow too close to it. Make sure that it gets cleaned out once a year. And then on the inside of the home, there's an air filter inside, so you just open up the unit, take out the air filter, clean that, and make sure that the fins are clean. Essentially, that's about it. So maintenance is super easy. We do recommend a professional coming in to take a look at it, to make sure all of your connections, make sure your levels of coolant are at a proper level, make sure everything is running efficiently. However, it's super easy to clean and maintain. Please click on the link in the right-hand corner of this video or in the description to download our Ductless Mini Split Report that also contains a great rebate that is available to our Calgary clients. You can also reach us directly by dialing 403-230-2689. Subscribe, like this video, and ring the alert bell to be notified of other video series that we will be producing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.